Imagine a bird not just soaring above a wildfire, but actively spreading it. Picture this: a bird swooping down, picking up a smoldering stick, and then dropping it in a new location to ignite fresh flames. This might sound like a scene from a mythical tale, but it's a reality in the Australian outback. Here, the landscape is often ravaged by wildfires, and these birds have adapted in a truly astonishing way. Certain bird species known as firehawks have astounded scientists and indigenous communities alike with their remarkable ability to wield fire for their benefit. These birds include the black kite, the whistling kite, and the brown falcon. These avian arsonists, far from fearing the flames, have forged a unique and intricate relationship with fire, utilizing it as a tool to enhance their hunting prowess. By spreading fire, they flush out prey, making it easier to catch. The revelation that birds could intentionally spread fire initially sparked disbelief and skepticism among researchers. It seemed almost too incredible to be true. However, years of meticulous observation and documentation, coupled with the long-held knowledge of Indigenous Australians, have firmly established the existence of this extraordinary behavior. Indigenous Australians have known about these firehawks for generations, incorporating this knowledge into their cultural stories and practices. This discovery has not only reshaped our understanding of the animal kingdom but also challenged our preconceived notions about animal intelligence and their capacity for complex problem-solving. It opens up new avenues for research into how animals interact with their environment in ways we never imagined. The term firehawk doesn't refer to a single species, but encompasses a group of birds that share this fire-spreading behavior. These birds have developed a unique and fascinating adaptation that sets them apart from other avian species. Among these avian incendiaries, the black kite, the whistling kite, and the brown falcon are the most well-documented. These birds have been observed carrying burning sticks in their talons and beaks, dropping them into unburned areas to start new fires. These birds, native to the Australian continent, have adapted to thrive in its fire-prone ecosystems, turning a potential threat into a valuable tool. By doing so, they create opportunities to hunt more effectively. These birds are not indiscriminate fire starters. Their actions are deliberate and purposeful, driven by the pursuit of sustenance. They use fire to flush out small animals, insects, and other prey hiding in the underbrush. By spreading fire, they manipulate their environment to their advantage, making it easier to flush out prey and secure a meal. This behavior demonstrates a remarkable level of intelligence and adaptability. This remarkable behavior, observed for centuries by indigenous communities and only recently acknowledged by Western science, highlights the intricate and often unexpected ways in which animals interact with their surroundings. It serves as a reminder of the complex relationships within ecosystems and the innovative survival strategies employed by wildlife. The method employed by firehawks to spread wildfires is as ingenious as it is audacious. These birds have developed a unique and somewhat alarming strategy to hunt and survive in their environment. They have been observed swooping down to the edges of bushfires where the heat and smoke are most intense, snatching smoldering twigs and branches in their beaks or talons. This behavior is not random but rather a calculated move to spread the fire further. They then fly some distance, often several hundred meters, before dropping their fiery plunder onto dry vegetation. This action is repeated multiple times, igniting new fires and effectively expanding the inferno's reach. The new fires create a larger area of destruction, which can be devastating for the ecosystem but beneficial for the firehawks. The precision and intentionality displayed by firehawks during this process are remarkable. They seem to understand the impact of their actions and use it to their advantage. They often target areas where prey animals are likely to be hiding, such as patches of dry grass or dense undergrowth. The ensuing flames drive their quarry out into the open, making them easy targets for the waiting raptors. This method of hunting is not only effective, but also showcases the firehawk's adaptability and intelligence. This calculated use of fire as a hunting tool underscores the cognitive complexity of these birds and their ability to exploit their environment in innovative ways. Their behavior is a fascinating example of animal ingenuity and adaptation. For millennia, Indigenous Australians have possessed a deep understanding of firehawks and their fire-spreading behavior. Their traditional knowledge, passed down through generations of careful observation and storytelling, recognize these birds as agents of fire, often attributing spiritual significance to their actions. These stories, rich in ecological insight, warned of the firehawk's power and their potential to reshape the landscape. In recent decades, Western scientists have begun to catch up with the wisdom long held by indigenous communities. Through rigorous field studies and the analysis of countless hours of observational data, researchers have confirmed the intentional nature of fire-spreading behavior in firehawks. This convergence of traditional knowledge and modern science highlights the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration in understanding the natural world. Firehawks, through their fire-spreading activities, play a complex and multifaceted role in their ecosystems. Their actions can influence fire regimes, shaping the distribution and abundance of plant and animal communities across the landscape. While fire is a natural part of many Australian ecosystems, the influence of firehawks can alter its frequency, intensity, and spatial patterns. The ecological consequences of firehawk behavior are not always straightforward. On the one hand, by spreading fire, they can help to create a mosaic of burnt and unburnt patches, promoting biodiversity and creating favorable conditions for certain plant and animal species. On the other hand, their actions can also contribute to more frequent and intense wildfires, potentially impacting sensitive habitats and species that are not adapted to such fire regimes. Living in fire-prone environments has led to remarkable adaptations in firehawks, allowing them to not only survive but thrive amidst the flames. Their keen eyesight enables them to spot fires from miles away, while their heat-resistant feathers and tolerance for smoke allow them to approach blazes safely. In a sense, they have evolved to become masters of the firestorm, exploiting its power for their benefit. Furthermore, firehawks exhibit a remarkable ability to capitalize on the aftermath of a fire. The scorched earth provides an ideal hunting ground, exposing insects, reptiles, and small mammals that would otherwise remain hidden. Their opportunistic nature and adaptability have allowed them to carve out a unique niche in the Australian ecosystem, where fire plays such a crucial role. While firehawks often hunt individually, they have also been observed engaging in cooperative fire-spreading behavior, particularly during large bushfires. When multiple birds work together, they can significantly expand the reach and intensity of a fire, creating a larger hunting ground and increasing their chances of success. This cooperative behavior suggests a level of social complexity and communication previously unknown in these birds. The sight of multiple firehawks, their silhouettes stark against the inferno's glow, swooping down to snatch burning embers and ferry them across the landscape, is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. Their ability to coordinate their actions and exploit a powerful force of nature for their collective benefit challenges our understanding of animal behavior and the limits of non-human intelligence. The fire-spreading behavior of firehawks raises intriguing ethical questions about our interactions with the natural world. Their ability to understand and manipulate fire, a force often associated with human intelligence and control, blurs the lines between instinct and conscious thought in animals. It compels us to reconsider our anthropocentric view of the world and acknowledge the complex inner lives of other species. Furthermore, their actions, while beneficial for their survival, can have significant consequences for other species and ecosystems. This raises questions about our responsibilities towards animals that exhibit behaviors that can be both beneficial and detrimental to human interests. It encourages us to approach conservation and wildlife management with a nuanced perspective, recognizing the intricate web of relationships that exist within ecosystems. In the fire-scorched landscapes of Australia, firehawks stand as a testament to the boundless ingenuity of nature. Their ability to harness a force as destructive as fire and turn it to their advantage is a marvel of evolution, demonstrating the extraordinary lengths to which animals will go to survive and thrive. Their story is a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, constantly challenging our assumptions and broadening our understanding of life on Earth. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of firehawk behavior, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate connections that bind all living things. Their story reminds us that we are but one species among many, sharing a planet with creatures of remarkable intelligence, adaptability, and resilience.